Hello everyone and welcome back to another drawing practice session. This is figure drawing practice part 2. In this video, I will be sharing a few figure sketches I worked on recently and some things I learned while doing them. I'm still experimenting and making mistakes and trying to understand figure drawing better. So rather than teaching a step-by-step method, I just want to share some observations from my own practices and what has been helping me improve. So let's get started. Improvement over perfection. While doing these practices, I noticed something about myself. I was spending way too much time trying to make every figure look exactly like the reference. Every time a line looked slightly wrong, I wanted to fix it immediately. Then I realized I wasn't practicing figure drawing anymore. I was just trying to make one sketch look good. But for me, these are two different things. Right now, my goal isn't to make a perfect figure drawing. My goal is to improve little by little and actually enjoy drawing. Because honestly, improvement takes time. It's not something that happens after 2 practice sessions. One thing I'm also been experimenting with is how I construct the figure. A lot of artists use specific methods like bean method, Maniquick method and other methods. But personally, I don't stick to one method. Sometimes I use simple shapes, sometimes I use lines, sometimes random forms that helps me understand the pose. I'm still figuring out what works best for me. At this stage, I'm more interested in understanding the figure than following a method perfectly. Another thing I have noticed is that I tend to erase too much. I don't think using an eraser is bad. If something is clearly wrong, I will erase it. But when I start erasing the same area again and again, that's where things go bad. The drawing stops moving forward and I get frustrated. Then I start thinking I can't draw. So recently I have been trying to leave some mistakes aside and continue anyway. Sometimes the sketch looked better by the end than I expected. And even when it doesn't, I still learn something from finishing it. Sometimes the sketch is finished, it's much easier to spot what went wrong. Maybe the nose is misplaced, the head angle feels off, or the proportions aren't quite right. Those mistakes give me something specific to improve in the next sketch. I've also been trying not to focus only on figure drawing. Drawing is made up of many smaller skills: heads, arms, legs, proportions, observations. So instead of spending hours on only one thing, I've started practicing different things for a short period of time. Even 10-20 minutes is enough, because for me, consistency matters more than having a perfect practice session. And maybe the biggest thing I'm learning right now is observation. Whether you are drawing figure, portraits, character or objects, observation is doing most of the work. And the more carefully I look, the more things I notice: the angles, the proportions, the relation between shapes. That's what I'm trying to improve every time I sit down and draw. So these are the few things I learned from practice sessions. Nothing big, just small observations from someone who is still learning. And honestly, that's what these videos are about. So that's it for today's drawing practice. These sketches definitely are not perfect, but that's not really the point. Each drawing showed me something I can improve on, whether it's proportion, observation, construction, or simply being more patient with the process. Right now, I'm focused more on learning than trying to make every sketch look perfect. As long as I keep practicing, making mistakes, and learning from them, I know I will keep improving over time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next practice session. Bye bye.